Hey everyone, Jay here from AI SEO Tips YouTube channel, and today we're going to learn about how to generate LLMs.txt file for your website. Okay, so let's get started. So what is LLMs.txt? So LLMs.txt is a small text file on your website. It tells the AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity about what all pages that they can read and learn from your website. Okay, so LLMs.txt is a proposal so that all the websites start using LLMs.txt in their websites, and all the LLMs start reading LLMs.txt on all the websites to follow the instructions about all the information and pages that are present on a website. Okay, so how do you create one? So I found Claude is using LLMs.txt file, and which is very impressive. If Claude is doing it, I think all the other websites should also do it. So how do you create one? You can paste all your information to ChatGPT and create one, or else you can use a free tool from radarkit.ai. How do you do that? Just visit radarkit.ai, go to free tools, and then go to LLMs.txt generator. And then from here, you can just enter your website name and you will create one for yourself. Okay. So I'll just create one for Zoho.com. Zoho is a HubSpot competitor, and it is a CRM tool. So here I just pasted Zoho.com. Zoho does not have LLM.txt. If someone from Zoho is watching, please use one from radarkit.ai. Okay, so here I pasted Zoho.com and I click generate. Within 5 seconds, it has generated LLMs.txt for Zoho. You can see there is a project summary. It has fetched all its services, its integration, contact, about us, case study, legal, and all the other pages as well. So, and if you want to edit any kind of information, you can do the same by adding, add file list section. You can edit any description, anything from here. And then once everything is done, once you see that, okay, this is ready to go, you can just copy or download it and upload it on your website. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.